if your SIM card is blocked, you don't need to go to any office to reactivate that SIM card. You need to use your phone. All you need to do is just to use your phone, whether smartphone or button phone, it will work for you. Just dial this code *996*1#. Dial this number and send it. It will give you this option. Choose option 2 and enter the 11 digits on that your NIN slip or ID card. Immediately the number will be reactivated. They will unblock that line immediately. Or take this process. Go to this particular app, download it on your Play Store, install it on your phone, go through the process, just click on it. They will show you where you enter that particular 11 digit, and immediately you enter it, they will reactivate your number. If you find this video useful, please do well to share it so that others will benefit. See you in my next tutorial.